Hello friends, hope you are doing great. In this video, I am going to share one of my dental client case study in which we were turning ad spend into book patients. And if we talk about the monthly stats for July 2026, so total we have got 125 conversions. Cost per conversion was 37.16 and the total ad spend was 4,645, and this is the snapshot of the ad account. And now I am going to explain what was doing differently. So first of all, what was the key challenge for us? Basically, they have the dental practice businesses, and but they have the different services that they are offering, and they wanted to promote their emergency patient, dental care, new patient, and cosmetic patient related services. So when we created the strategy for them, so we in the strategy we decided we will go with the four different campaigns. One for the emergency patients, for because these are the people that need the immediate help, and urgency is high, and there is low price sensitivity for these type of the clients. Second campaign, we decided general dental care services. So these are also in the broad demand, patients comparing several practices nearby. Third campaign, we decided for the new patients, and these are the people that are actively searching for the to switching dentist and ready to book. The last and fourth type of the campaign that we decided at that time was the cosmetic patients, in which we were considering veneer and similar treatments. And like normally these type of the campaigns or the clients need the longer uh, decision cycle, so they also need the more time, and ultimately these leads are the expensive. So that's why instead of one consolidated campaign with all those services, we decided to create four different campaigns for each of uh, the service. And then based on the results, we decided what we want to like close the campaigns, and where we need to add more budget. So this was our approach. First of all, we segmentize the things by their services, split one account into four distinct campaign groups: emergency service, dental care, new patient special, and veneer. So instead of one blended campaign competing for every keyword, we decided to go with the specific, intent specific, and service specific keywords. Also, we asked the client to create the specific landing page for each of the service, so the user experience for our target audience will be excellent. So match channel to intent, place high volume services like emergency and dental care on the performance max for each, and high intent services like new patient or veneer on search for precision. Then the third thing we did, tracked every lead type. We measured form submissions, call from webs, and phone call leads separately for each campaign. So lead quality could be judged service by service, not just only checking the clicks, what are the number of clicks there. And then we shifted budget to what worked. We used basically the cost per conversion by segment to move spend towards emergency service, the strongest performer for that month, while keeping new patient and veneer active for their high value leads. So this is the exact thing that we did: emergency services performance max, dental care performance max, new patient special in the search one, and veneer for also in the search one. These are the count-wide data: 125 conversions as a overall, uh, with the two veneer as a separate one. So cost per conversion was $37. Total ad spend was 4,645, and these are the number of impressions and the clicks that we got at that time. So after the like the monthly cycle, when we analyze the campaigns data, so emergency services got almost 85 conversions. Cost per conversion was $27, and we spent 2,311 during this time period. For the dental care services, we got about 20 conversions, cost per conversion was $29 and ad spend was 572. For the new patient special, we got 10 conversions, cost per conversion was $58 and the ad spend was 584. For the veneer services, we got two conversions and the cost per conversion was $240 and ad spend we spent on this one $480. So clearly you can see the emergency services were generating us the more volume than any other services. And the next one is like what we did for them, like the key takeaways, how this help, how this segmentizing the things help the clients. So first of all, creating segments or creating the intent based campaigns, specific theme based campaigns increase over workload, but because we want to deliver the best results to our clients, that's why we will go that's why we will always check what is the most important thing for our client, and then we start implementing instead of just providing the general services. So we split one account into four services, service based campaigns, so that each campaign or the each patient type get the right message, right channel, as well as the right landing page. Performance Max carried volume for emergency and general dental care, while Search protected quality for new patient and veneer leads. Then tracking form fills, phone calls, and web calls separately showed which campaigns were actually producing patient, not just clicks. And every dollar moved towards what was proven to convert, and which is why the cost per conversion held at $37 across an account generating 125 leads. So this thing, like again, segmentizing the different leads segments or the different services segments generate you the most qualified patients instead of just the journal queries. So if you also want to let us handle your accounts or campaigns, or if you have any other question regarding the Google Ads, simply you can contact us and we will check how we can help you.